Imagine two choices: a guaranteed $50 today, or a gamble that could give you $100 or nothing. Which would you take? For a risk-averse investor, the answer is simple. The guaranteed $50 feels better. That's because the utility or satisfaction from a certain outcome is greater than from a risky one with the same expected value. In finance, utility measures how much happiness or satisfaction an investor gets from an investment's return, considering both reward and risk. Now, not all risk-averse investors are alike. Some might accept a guaranteed $40 instead of gambling for $50, while others might not. Utility helps us quantify these preferences. This is the utility function. U equals expected return minus 1/2 times the risk aversion coefficient, A, multiplied by variance, sigma squared. It shows that higher expected returns increase utility, while higher risk, or variance, reduces it. And the more risk-averse the investor, the larger the value of A. We can represent this with indifference curves, showing combinations of risk and return that provide equal satisfaction. These curves never cross because preferences are consistent. For a risk-neutral investor, A equals 0. They only care about return. For a risk lover, A is negative. More risk actually increases their utility. Utility theory doesn't measure happiness itself. It simply ranks choices. A portfolio with higher utility is preferred, even if we can't measure exactly how much more satisfying it is. In the end, utility is the invisible thread connecting our emotions, logic, and investment decisions. Understanding it helps us make choices that truly fit who we are as investors.